Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks with another awesome video for you today. Now, as you see, I'm in the kitchen and we're about to make this hearty detox salad that is full of fiber, full of iron, full of antioxidants, and it's delicioso. All right, so stay tuned for the video. All right, you guys, so we are here right now getting ready to toss it up in this kitchen. Okay, so what we have here now is our bowl of kale. I don't know if you're a fan of kale, but I'm really not a fan of kale, but it is very good for you. It's good for detoxing your body. So we're going to start off with 2 handfuls of kale. Now I'm also going to add in some spinach, okay? This is my freshly washed baby spinach. All right. We also got some craisins in the back, okay? 50% less sugar, dry craisins. I'm also going to toss it up with some pineapple chunks, fresh pineapple chunks, as well as freshly diced oranges. Okay, orange. This is about maybe a half of a big orange, all right, but it's freshly diced. I'm also going to add in some peppers, some green bell peppers for that nice crunch. I'm also going to add in some blueberries, okay? Wonderful antioxidants in your blueberries. Now, I'm not a fan of onions, but I chopped up a little piece of some white onions, diced it up, okay? And I also have some cherry tomatoes, okay? As well as some avocados. Now, these are frozen avocados that I thawed out. You can actually buy frozen avocados and have them in your freezer. Keep them much longer because when you buy fresh avocados, they go bad quickly, especially in the summer. All right, so this is my avocados, and I'm also going to top it off with my favorite feta cheese. I love me some feta cheese. All right, so let's start tossing this up right now. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to mainly focus on my my bowl of salad. Now I'm going to add in my baby spinach. Okay. And I don't know what you use to toss your salads, but I'm going to use a fork. Alright, I want my antioxidants, my iron. I want this to be really, really good. Now you can actually tweak this salad to anything you like. Whatever you like to eat in your salad, you can put that in there. All right, so I have 2 pretty much handfuls of my baby spinach. All right, and everything else I'm just pretty much going to dump. Now to start it off, I'm going to throw in maybe I'm going to put in a handful of my craisins. Maybe 2. Okay. That's going to give it a nice sweet taste. Alright. Now I'm going to throw in also my freshly chopped oranges. As well as my green peppers, my green bell peppers. Now this is a short video, you guys. I'm also going to put in my freshly chopped fresh pineapples. I'm just going to toss that up. Oh, it smells so good in this kitchen right now. Now I'm going to sprinkle in some onions. Like I said, I'm not much of a fan of onions, but it does taste kind of good in your salad. I would recommend that you get the red onions. Okay, they have a more sweeter tastier taste to it. And I'm also going to throw in my blueberries. Now this is like, you know, to taste. The measurements is to your liking. Now I'm also going to throw in my cherry peppers. Usually I like to slice these up. So I'm going to slice these up in halves. This is not for me only, okay? I'm not going to be able to eat this whole big bowl of salad. This can last for a couple of days. And you can eat as much as you want. Lastly, I'm going to throw in my avocados. And now I'm going to top it off with my feta cheese. Now with this salad, you can either use it with or without dressing. That's up to you. You can use it with the balsamic salad dressing. I'm just going to throw a little more craisins on top just for video's sake. Okay. And there you got it, you guys. A delicious salad full of antioxidants, full of vitamins and minerals, full of iron, full of fiber, and it's delicious, okay? So if you want to see more wonderful detox salads like this, just let me know down below. I got the videos coming out for you. And until the next video, you guys, bon appetit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, you guys, so this is what I'm having for lunch. This is the salad that I made, okay, my detox salad. You can either eat that by itself, or you can just have it with a meal. I'm having it with some lemon pepper salmon. All right, I only cut that in half, so because my stomach isn't that hungry. But also, let me just say, I also at the end of the video, I added apple chunks in my detox salad, which is another fruit full of fiber. Okay, so this is my lunch, you guys. Bon appetit. Fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.